This is our automatic disposable cutlery packing machine, exquisite design and simple operation. It is suitable for automatic feeding and packaging of various disposable tableware products, such as napkins, knives, forks, spoons, straws, toothpicks, whip wipes, salt and pepper packets, chopsticks, etc. The automated design ensures that each piece of tableware is precisely arranged, improving packaging efficiency. The easy-to-understand operation panel reduces manual intervention and improves production efficiency. With touchscreen control, you can easily adjust the settings to ensure that each package of tableware meets the highest standards. High-speed packaging ensures that each package of tableware is tightly sealed and hygienic and reliable. Choose us to make your tableware packaging more efficient and worry-free.